Hey guys, Ryan here with ShopHawk. Just want to take a few minutes of your time. Going through your site, you actually have probably a better foundation than most of our customers or potential customers that come to us looking for help. A lot of pages, that's good. Everything's broken down. Um, the one thing that jumps out at me here, say on your mechanical services page, it's not fully optimized from a search engine standpoint or from a user standpoint. I would actually take these and break these down. One, not use stock images. I'm not sure if this is probably you, but some of these are stock. That's fine if you don't have it. I just play with it, customize it a little bit, and then more importantly, I would break these down onto individual service pages. So again, solid foundation. I would just go in, optimize it, create a little bit more pages, and then that would look a little something like this. So I'll just give you three examples here of what I mean. Here's a tow truck company of ours that we have in Dayton, Ohio. They have about 250 vehicles in their fleet, pretty big operation. And you can see here, I'll just choose this last one here, everything from the link to the images, to the headings, to the alt text, which I'm not sure if you're familiar, if it's a little snippet of code on the back. Google doesn't know if this is a chocolate chip cookie or tractor trailer tow truck, right? So we just want to walk them through. One, it's going to help you rank better. And equally as important or more important, if someone lands on your homepage or lands on even that mechanical service page and they see that you do it and there's just a little snippet, you're not going to convert someone better or quicker than if you build it out this way. And we've tested hundreds of different tow truck and body shop, repair shop customers, different pages, tweaking, optimization, layout, call to action, placement, all kinds of different factors. We know what we're doing. So just by building that out, we'll go here, tractor trailer, tow truck, they're in Dayton. Well, there you go. So Sandy's is number one in the map pack. Number three in the map pack. That tractor trailer towing page I just showed you is number one organically, and then their heavy duty page is number two organically. So again, a home page is great. If you're ranking, you're going to get that visitor, but you want to show up like this. So you want to have all the local stuff, all the contextual stuff. So now this is a super warm lead, right? They're searching for a specific service in a specific service area. And then you want to guide them through what that looks like if they decide to choose you. Same thing here, Telford Auto. Again, no stock images. This is all images from them. You even have a virtual walkthrough here so people can understand, what does your shop look like? What does your waiting room look like? That kind of a thing. Social proof. We also do reputation management. I'll show you in just a second here. We help you get better reviews, kind of filter out negative reviews that ultimately you will get as a business, and then highlight the best ones on your website. So same thing, even down to the makes, we break out into different pages. So if you come over here and you say Toyota Repair Shop, these guys are in Telford, PA. Telford Auto's number one, Telford Auto's number two, Telford Auto's number three. So you'll find most of our customers, if not all, have definitely first page rankings in the map pack and organically. But as you can see from these few examples, sometimes 3, 4, and 5 different first page rankings. So you're skyrocketing your chance of being seen. And then because we build out individual pages and optimize them properly, you're going to convert that visitor into a lead almost every time. One more example here, Sims Automotive Repair Shop. Everything's clean, modern, user-friendly, no stock images. Down to the financing, they have their own page, services, vehicle service. Everything is optimized for each individual service, and it's hugely important. So let's just say driveline repair, right? So again, if I ranked for repair shop or driveline repair from a home page or a main services page, fine. But here we have, again, the URL, the image, the headline. Why do I need this service? What to expect if I don't get this service? What to expect if I come and bring in things to look out for, down to the call to action here. And coupon is contextual towards that unique service, and you'll find that across the board. So we come back to Google here. Driveline repair. These guys are in Coppers Cove, Texas. So Sims local map pack, Sims driveline repair page is number one. So you see how that makes sense to build it out. I think you guys are using Divi on a WordPress theme. We use that quite often. Very nice theme. You can quickly do this yourselves or have someone like us do it for you. But I strongly advise that you have it done. Same thing here. I'm not going to touch on our local dashboard. We have 2 depending on the packages. Just brings in everything from rankings week to week, month to month. All your reporting is automated and available here in real time. lead tracking, whether that's web chat, form submission, call tracking, Google My Business Insights. You can see here visibility. That's things like your online local directories, Yelp, Angie's List, Hotfrog, that kind of a thing. Page load speed, site uptime monitoring, reputation management, lead tracking, social. You can post to Facebook from here and Twitter. You can do posts, build fans, stuff like that. Everything just to have one, convenience for you, so you don't have 50 different passwords. You don't know the overall health of your marketing. And two, it keeps us transparent and gives us some data to actually make and optimize properly, as you can see, to get those results. One thing, you guys, I'm not sure if you're doing, I'm sure looks like a pretty decent operation over there. We also have this, what we call Hawk's Nest. So if we're doing different email marketing campaigns, different text message campaigns, we can do all of that in here. Again, similar setup where you can track all your Google ads, Facebook ads, Google My Business, reviews, and reputation. If you come over here to reputation, we can actually automate a lot of this stuff. And I'll show you there in just a second. But you can respond to reviews publicly here. If you have this 5-star review on Google, we can share it right to their Facebook page. You'll see here. So that just went right to Heart AutoCare's Facebook. So it helps build engagement, build social proof, and spread the word that people are having a positive experience with you, right? Same thing, campaigns. Let's go to Q4 here. Happy Thanksgiving, what have you. So we can send different campaigns. Again, email, Facebook Messenger, call campaigns, drop voicemails, ringless voicemails, all kinds of stuff here. Just goes on and on. Again, automation of anything you can think of. We can even do, let's come over here to contacts. This functions as kind of a CRM. I don't know if you're using CCC or My Shop Manager, something similar to that. I'll just pull myself up as a customer here. We can even send, let's see if we have it here. Yes, you have a record of everything I'm doing. If I'm leaving reviews, if I'm visiting certain funnels that we build out in here, if you want to have a special for Christmas or Thanksgiving, Happy New Year funnel, we can build that out in here, track, measure, and monitor every step of the way, and interact on a personal level, yet automated with all your customers. So this is huge for customers. Heart Certified Auto Care, they have 3 locations on the north side of Chicago. We do this for smaller shops in Telford, PA, like I showed you. Customer reactivation, customer engagement helps bring in a ton of revenue for these guys, and helps build social proof with new customers that come into the system. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you want to schedule a call, ask me any questions. I'm here for you. Other than that, have a great rest of the week. Thanks for your time.